Welcome to the 2026 edition of the PhD Summer School of Information Engineering, organized by the Department of Information Engineering at the University of Padova. The school will take place from July 6th to 10th in Brixen, in the breathtaking setting of the Italian Dolomites. In line with our 30-year-long tradition, the school includes 2 tracks. Track 1 is dedicated to the new frontiers of beyond 5G telecommunication networks. We have designed an exciting program with 8 technical talks given by leading experts from both academia and industry. The topics include integrated sensing and communications, advanced MIMO antenna systems, quantum and semantic communications, as well as agentic and explainable AI, with a focus on how machine learning can be used to improve cybersecurity. In addition, we are planning a hands-on session with open-air interface, where participants can experiment with a real 5G system and better understand how modern wireless networks actually work.
Track 2 focuses on an innovative material for next-generation power conversion, gallium nitride. This track provides a comprehensive overview of the entire technology chain, from material growth and characterization to device design, fabrication, testing, and real-world applications. Leading experts from academia and industry will present the fundamental principles behind gallium nitride materials, the challenges of high-performance device processing, and the latest advances enabling more efficient, compact, and reliable power electronics. The program offers participants the opportunity to deepen their understanding through focused discussion and practical insights into device technologies and application-driven designs. This track is designed to provide both a solid scientific foundation and a clear perspective on the future of power conversion technologies.
Both tracks will dedicate a full afternoon to a student workshop, where PhD students can present their research, receive feedback, and compete for the Best Presentation Award. But the school is not only about lectures. We are also organizing several social activities to promote networking among students, speakers, and professors. We're especially proud of our traditional networking hiking day, ending with the lunch in a mountain chalet in the Alps. PhD students participating in the school will be awarded 5 credits from their doctoral schools upon passing an evaluation. The registration fee includes coffee breaks and lunches throughout the whole week. Registration is open till June, with early registrations ending in May. We also have arranged discounted accommodations at the Grunerbaum hotels in Brixen, and more information is available on the school website. We look forward to seeing you in July in Brixen for a week of science, discussion, networking, and time together in the Alps.